Welcome everyone to another episode of Energy with Dave. So it's been a little while before we've got back to fixing this project. The Vortex, or also referred to as the Vajra, this device here, on the previous unit had failed, and so we have a replacement. However, the orientation of the pipes are different, so now there is some fun to be had in working out exactly how we can retrofit this one to the existing generator that was working with the other Vortex. So I'm going to have a go at mounting this, and I will get back to you shortly. Alrighty, so here is the finished product. I wouldn't say it's my best work in terms of flares, copper flare joins, but we have managed to get this in here. Very tight. I've ignored all the rules about very tight 90-degree bends. There really wasn't much other option. So we've gone down through a flare joint from another flare joint with a short piece of copper, and for the bubbler section, if you can see it, I've used a bit of copper pipe which I've insulated with some tubing, braided tubing, just to keep that all isolated from the frame. So we can probably give this a fire up and see if we get bubbles. We will need to get the analyzer to test it.